Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your Android phone RAM to improve your phone performance. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Android phone settings. Go ahead and click on My Phone. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on RAM. Just like what you can see right here, inbuilt RAM 8 gig RAM. Additional virtual RAM added from internal storage ROM to improve performance. Now, what this simply means is that this phone comes with only 8 gig RAM. So I decided to add additional RAM to it to make it 16 gig RAM to boost the performance and efficiency. And for you to plus your RAM, so what you need to do is to go ahead and look for set virtual RAM. And for that, go ahead and click on here. There you see different options right here. Always go for the maximum one, which is exactly what I do right here. Once you select the maximum one, go ahead and hit on OK and restart your phone. The new RAM that has been added is going to be shown right here. And with that, your phone will be more improved in terms of performance. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.